Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and I'm going to make the video that goes with the work for basic volumes. Here we go. Let's do basic volumes. Start assignment. Do each problem in your math notebook. I can do that. Number each problem, check your answers, either using the check answer feature in Edulastic. You also have the answer keys down here. All right, let's do some problems. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum. Ba-dum, 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 bum. I understand, and I've read the instructions. Okay, number one. So we're doing basic volumes. I've got my notebook out. Right. A cone. I know that a cone is 1/3 pi r squared times height. That's a cone. Okay. So 1/3 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 2. The diameter is 4, but the radius is 2, times the height of 12. This is number 1. So let's see. 3.14 times 2 times 12 divided by 3, 25.12. Number 2. Let's see. A sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So 3.14. I didn't square this, did I? I'm gonna go back to number 1. Pi r squared. I need to square this. I don't think I squared it. Did I? So 3.14 times 2 times 2 times 12 divided by 3. How about 50.24? Okay, this one. 3.14 times 4 times pi times the radius, and the radius of this is 6. 6, 6, 6, and then divide that by 3. Okay. 4 times 3.14 times 6 times 6 times 6 divided by 3. Number 2 is 904.32. Number 3, 4. Actually, I think the way I probably teach this in class is going to be 4 pi r to the third divided by 3. Okay, so 4, 3.14, radius, which is 5.9, 5.9, 5.9, and then I'll divide that by 3. And this is going to take some rounding on it. What's this say about rounding? Round all answers to the nearest tenth. Okay. So I'll have to round that to a 0.2, and I'll have to round that to a 0.3. And this is going to round to an 859.8. Now let's check those 3 answers and see if we're doing okay. Number 1, 50.2. Number 2, 904.3. Number 3, 859.8. Here we go. Wrong. Whoa. 4/3 pi r cubed. What did I do here? Let me check this. 3.14 times 2 times 2 times 12 divided by 3. 50.3. I like 50.3. What's my answer key say? Nah, it was a rounding error. Okay. I rounded incorrectly. 50.2. And what did I put here? Come on, man. Okay, 50.2. This one was correct. Number 3, 859.8. Number 3, 859.9. I'm losing it on rounding. 4 times 3.14 times 5.9 times 5.9 times 5.9 divided by 3. Yeah, it should be a 0.9. Both of those, I lost it on rounding. Okay, let's keep going. Number 4. Four pi r, which is 4.7, divided by 3. And I have that as, my lights just went out. $434.67, which means it'll round to 0.7. Number 5. So this has a radius of 1, so it's going to be 3.14 radius, radius, radius divided by 3. Has it a 4.18, which would be 4.2. Number 6. All right, so this is going to be a cone, so it is pi, so 3.14 times the radius squared, so 4 times 4 times the height, which is 8, divided by 3. 3.14 times 4 times 4 times 8 divided by 3. 133. Oh, okay. So 133.97, which would round to 134. All right, let's get those last 3 in and see how we did. So number 4, I said it was 434.7, 434.7. Number 5, 4.2. Number 6, 134.0. Let's see if it likes that. Why is number 3 still wrong? What is my answer to 3? 859.9. Did I not change it? Number 3, 859.9. Oh my goodness. Okay. 859.9. I need to check that or change it. All right, this guy, number 7. So a cone is pi r squared height, so 3.14, 5 times 5 times the height, which is 11. It's number 7. .14 times 5 times 5 times 11, 863.5. Number 8, another cylinder. So the radius is 9, so we're going to go 3.14, 9 times 9 times 10 So 2,000, 2543.4. Number 9, a cone. So pi radius is 1 squared times the height divided by 3. .14 times 1 times 1 times 1 divided by 3. 1.0 with the correct rounding. Let's get those last 3 in. Number 7, 863.5. Number 8, 2543.4. Number 9, 1. Checking my answers. Number 9, it doesn't like number 9. What is it like down here? 11.5. 1 times 1 times 11 times 3.14. 1 times 1 times 11 times 3.14 divided by... I messed that up pretty badly, didn't I? Number 9, I wrote it down right? 3.14 times... Yeah, you know what? Right here, I didn't multiply it by an 11. I multiplied it by another 1. That was my issue. 3.14 times 1 times 1 times 11 divided by 3. So 11.5. Okay, 11.5. Number 10. Pi, so 3.14. Radius is 4 times a height of 8. So 401.9. A sphere with a radius of 11. A sphere with a radius of 11. Okay, so 3.14, 11, 11, 11 divided by 3. $5572.5. A cone, this is number 12. A cone with a radius of 6 and a height of 12. A cone, so 3.14. Radius is 6. Height is 12. Divided by 3 because it's a cone. $452.2. Number 13, let's see, 452.2. 13. Oh my goodness, you guys can't see what I've been writing, have you? Can you? Because I moved it off the way. Sorry about that. Number 13, a cylinder with a radius of 8 and a height of 12. Radius of 8, so 3.14, 8, 8, 12. $2411.5. $2411.5. Let's check answers. Make sure we're doing everything right. Number 12, it doesn't like my number 12. 452 point. Did I put in a 3? I've got 452.2 here. Sometimes I feel like I'm putting in the right things and it changes it. It's not. Okay, 452.2. We'll check that on the next time around. Number 14. A cone with a diameter of 12 and a height of 20. Diameter is 20, so the radius is 10. So 3.14, radius is 10, radius is 10, height is 20, and it's a cone. There's my cone. (2093.3). Good. A cylinder with a diameter of 12, which means the radius is 6. So 3.14, radius, height of 10. Gives me a 1,130.4. 1,130.4. Number 16, a sphere with a radius of 12. Radius, okay, so it's going to be 4, 3.14, radius, divided by 3. $7,234.6 with the rounding. Number 17, a cylinder with a radius of 10 and a height of 5. Okay, 3.14, radius, height. A cone with a diameter of 16, which means the radius is 8. So 3.14, radius, height of 16 divided by 3. A sphere with a diameter of 21.6. Okay, so if the diameter is 21.6, that means that the radius is 10.8. So I have 4, 10.8, 10.8, 10.8 divided by 3. I need a pi on this, don't I? 3.14 and a pi. So 10.8 and that's going to be 5273.99, which means it's going to be 5274 with the correct rounding. 5274 with the correct rounding. Last one, a cylinder with a radius of 5 and a height of 11. Okay, cylinder, so 3.14, radius of 5, height of 11. 8863.5. Yeah, I did okay on the last ones. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Actually, let me submit this thing. Let's go all the way through with it, see what my final score is. Submit it. Submit it. Go to my scores. Wait for my scores. Try something else. I'm not patient enough. Oh, come on. There it goes. And that was basic volumes, and I got 100 on it. Good job, Mr. Barr.